you're taller than I thought.
It's funny because the name of this video is going to be Short Man Destroys a Kitchen. Also, like and subscribe, because if you don't, my camera woman will be upset, and we don't want to have that, okay? It is now 11:21. I'm going to get this done in... How long is it going to take us?
I say an hour and 20.
An hour and 20? Alright, 45 minutes.
Okay.
What are we doing today?
Hyper tough kidcraft. Are you hyper tough?
Can you shake my hand? Step paso estape schritt stop. Can't say that on camera.
That's better.
They're gonna be wondering what you said now because I've totally cut out the last part of what you actually said, but you can't say that. You want a screw?
Mm-hmm.
How do I do this? Alright, so it looks like that side goes down.
You El Stapa, El Paso.
El Sapo no Stapo. When Bapo go to Dreamo, Bapo...
Go Cremo.
That's called a nocturnal emission.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. Do you think these go on the outside or the inside? It's like a top and bottom type of thing?
Are you top or bottom?
I am a top.
Hyper tough.
Okay, so it literally gives us a close-up right here telling us that that's supposed to go out. I figured out what these are.
Remember when you were like, how do I do this? Should be doing this naked.
It doesn't go there. This goes here.
Remember when you're like, we're gonna put this together in 45 minutes and you haven't even put one piece together.
I'm sorry. Remember that time we watched Weekend at Bernie's?
I loved that. That was a good call.
Yeah.
That was one of my favorite movies, honestly.
Yeah, and you didn't think you were gonna like it.
Yeah.
You're like, it's on.
Because I don't like old movies.
If you end up in a movie and you were born in what year?
We don't talk about
Watch.
that.
This is how you get murdered on camera, everyone. No, seriously though, like, I don't understand this. Can you stop filming and help me for a second? Well, as you can see, I have now grown from 3'5" to 18'5". Welcome to my kitchen. I need to build a new one now because I'm too tall for this one.
How long did it take us, babe?
21 minutes.
Times 45,000.
No, it took 21 minutes. Whose team are you on? My team or her team? Was it 21 minutes or 21 minutes times 45,000? You need to hear this awful sound. We're gonna explode now. Oh.
The best part.
This works fine. That works fine, okay. This works fine. I don't think that one does anything.
Finished?
Finished? It's done.
I mean, not too bad.
Yeah, now we get to throw the whole thing away and start over.
Where you belong.
Yeah. What the f? You have to lean on this side?
Lean with it, rock with it.
I got a knife. What movie is that from?
Fast, Furious 7.
I hate you.
Something with Arnold. Something with, is it a Die Hard? Is it the guy that wrestles alligators? Danny DeVito? Crocodile Hunter 9. Crocodile Dundee. 4 hours and 36 minutes later.
It's not 4 hours. It was 21 minutes. Give or take an hour. Thank you for watching my asshole.
My ex. My boyfriend now. What an upgrade.
You need to put a hole in your wall in the process.
Kyle.
Who the fuck's Kyle?
We gotta go.
Put metal inside of a microwave, it works even better.